Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you best strategy and Lassie survival shooter tips and tricks. In this beginner guide to Lassie survival shooter, the key to fast progression starts with your heroes, focusing on unlocking your main characters first, especially any S tier heroes, as they'll make campaign levels and battles much easier. Next, join an active alliance where you can claim rewards, contribute to growth, and benefit from shared resources. Just be sure to help the team as well. Always keep your builders and research queues busy, maximizing city upgrades and technology to stay efficient. Resource management is crucial. Save premium currency and summon tickets for featured banners or heroes that truly fit your team. Early on, focus on building a strong team of heroes, completing daily tasks, logins, and side missions accumulate steady rewards. By prioritizing heroes, alliance participation, and careful resource use, you'll progress faster and reach high tier content more efficiently. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.